Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Bedsure Dog Bed. The classic pet bed mattress design gives your fluffy friend plenty of room to sprawl out and get cozy in any position. Easy to carry and ideal for use indoors and outside, in a crate, in your car, or wherever life takes you. The two-sided design features warm and cozy Sherpa with a reverse side of cool and soft Oxford fabric. Durable and suitable for all season use, keep your dog cool in summer and warm in winter for increased comfort. Designed to give your pet unparalleled support for a deep, dreamy sleep. High-density egg crate foam distributes weight evenly and provides the perfect amount of pressure relief to reduce joint pain and arthritis discomfort. Featuring an easy-to-remove, durable, and stain-resistant cover that makes deep cleaning a breeze. Simply machine wash and tumble dry. This dog bed mat is eco-friendly. The soft and generous lofty fill is made from 100% organic memory foam. You simply won't believe how comfy foam can be. But don't just take our word for it. See for yourself how comfy this waterproof dog bed really is. Number 2 in this best dog bed for Rottweiler list is Furhaven Orthopedic Dog Bed. The sofa-style design creates a cozy and inviting space that promotes comfort and security, designed with supportive bolsters for dogs to rest their heads on for optimum lounging comfort. Featuring a cuddly soft plush faux fur main sleep surface and bolsters wrapped in easy care suede, both are gentle on noses and paws for enhanced snuggling and burrowing comfort. The Egg Crate's orthopedic foam base helps cushion pressure points and improve air circulation, while fluff-filled bolsters support the neck, back, hips, and joints, helps ease discomfort and promote restful sleep. Comes with a 90-day limited coverage against material defects and may also qualify for our 60-day worry-free program. Restrictions apply. Purchases from unauthorized third-party resellers may not be covered by Furhaven. Our foam is 100% manufactured in the USA and independently tested to meet CertiPure Pure US standards for emissions, content, and durability, made without formaldehyde, phthalates, mercury, lead, and ozone depleters. Our third choice is Ihesiga Orthopedic Dog Beds. Ihesiga Orthopedic Dog Bed uses memory foam and egg crate foam that can evenly support to relieve pressure, and provides a good amount of softness and support. The memory foam dog bed especially suits elderly dogs to relieve pressure on joints. This bolster dog bed has 3-sided bolster to add additional support for the pet's neck and head, and let them have a restful sleep. Dog bed with sides helps your dog snuggle up and enjoy sleeping. There is a waterproof film between the fleece surface and the bottom fabric that makes the dog bed waterproof. However, the faux linen on the side is not waterproof. A non-slip point on the bottom is not easy to slide, and keeps your dog bed steady. Extreme comfort in multiple sizes, the sleeping surface is covered with flannel, providing a soft and comfortable sleeping area for your pet. No matter how big your pet is, it's a dog bed for medium, large and extra large dogs. The sleep interface area is lined with Cuddler, soft Sherpa, while the supportive bolsters are wrapped in easy care suede microfiber. Thickened memory foam insert helps cushion pressure points and improve air circulation, while the fluff-filled bolster railings support the neck, back, hips, and joints, both help to ease discomfort and encourage restful sleep. Fourth pick in this best dog bed for Rottweiler list is Pedicare Orthopedic Dog Bed. This orthopedic dog bed is made of a combination of high-density egg crate foam and CertiPure Pure US certified memory foam, which can help distribute weight evenly and provide perfect joint support to relieve pressure. Filled with shredded memory foam, the bolsters can provide effective support for your pet's neck to have a restful sleep. A Pedicare memory foam dog bed is covered by a waterproof liner to fully protect the foam from spills, water damage or accidents. This washable dog bed is easy to care with a removable cover made of super soft flannel fleece. Upgrade anti-slip bottom can prevent your large dog bed from moving when your pets step on and off to provide a secure area for them. Pedicare dog bed with sides supplies 3 sizes for medium, large and extra large dogs. You can choose the most suitable one for your family members according to their breed and weight. All Nerdog washable dog beds for large dogs come with zipped removable covers and semi-waterproof lining that make it very easy to clean off dirt and pee. If you aim to thoroughly wash pet sofa for large dogs, simply remove the cover via zipper and place it in the washing machine. Once it is time to dry, you can either put Dog Bed XL in the dryer on low heat or leave the XL dog beds for extra large dogs out to air dry. Our fifth and last choice is Vihu Elevated Dog Bed. The slope headrest provides support for your dogs while sleeping and protects neck health. Each support foot of the dog bed has a non-slip rubber pad, can not only protect your floors from scratches, but keep the pet bed from sliding when your dog jumps on or off. Stay cool ever. Crafted of textiline mesh fabric, the dog cot allows air to flow, keeping your pets cool while they relax in the heat. Also allow water or urine to go through, no puddles formed. Besides, the Teslin mesh features heat resistance, sturdy, and breathability. Easy to clean. For the pet hair, dirt, grime, or other stains brought by your dog from outside lawn, simply hose off with water and allow it to dry. Besides, you can also wipe them clean with a wet towel. Easy to assemble. No screws and wrenches needed. The dog bed can be directly installed with the snap-on design. Best idea is dog hammock bed and training platform. Lightweight and portable. Perfect for indoor, outdoor, picnic, camping, training. Quality sleep on the go. This dog bed for large dogs, make sure that it is the correct size for your dog. While lying flat, completely stretched out, your dog should not hang off the large dog bed washable removable cover. If your dog is in between sizes, always purchase a larger sized extra large dog bed.